Hi guys, how are you? As you can see in this mobile Google account FRP bypass problem. So now I want to remove this FRP. So first of all, you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot in this mobile as I do, and follow my step by step. So when you connect Wi-Fi hotspot and do it, checking information, I will show you about this problem. As you can see, verify your account, but I don't remember this Gmail and this mobile Welton GM3. As you can see, this mobile model Welton GM3. So next, guys, you have to insert SIM any in this mobile. As you can see, I insert SIM in this mobile, and then you have to go back and setup. So click on emergency call and use two finger, click emergency information. After that, click pencil and add contact any. Do it, it's signing now, so do it again, try again. As you can see, the number show, and click add number and click on profile. Is click three dot, after that click share, and then as you can see, message, hold on message and app information. After that, guys, you have to scroll down and click on SMS app and open links. After that, click scroll down on YouTube, click YouTube icon and app notification, as you can see, and scroll down channel settings. After that, do it and scroll down last in about, click about, and then YouTube terms of service. As you can see, click Chrome browser, open and accept and continue, next, and no thanks. So now, guys, you have to search this link. I will show you frpfile.com. Write this link for search frpfile.com/bypass. When you write this link, then click search, and then guys, you have to scroll down and you have to download two applications. First of all, you have to download Google Account Manager at Android and continue it and allow. Okay, next, download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. So guys, click on three dots in browser and go download tabs. There are two applications, and install Google Account Manager. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Google Account Manager installing now, and then, guys, you have to click done. Next, guys, you have to install bypass FRP 1.0. Install it and then open this file. Click on three dot and browse sign in, and okay. Now, guys, you have to enter your Gmail. Enter here Gmail. When you enter your Gmail, then click next. And now, guys, you have to input your password Gmail. When you input password, then click sign in. Signing now and signing complete. Signing completed. Now you have to restart your mobile. Press power button for restart and click on restart. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos, don't forget it. So now let's do it. Start this step. Checking for updates. This may take a minute or two. Setup is new. Just a second guys. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Escape it. Not now and escape anyway. Scroll down and agree. No thanks. Adding finishing touches. This may take a minute or two guys. FRP bypass is removed now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. FRP bypass Google account is removed. As you can see, the setup is clear now. So now I am going to next videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bye. Be back later. See you next and take care.